Hard Light VR Suit. This device can fully immerse a person in the universe of the game. Its main difference from conventional VR goggles is that it allows you not to only see the game, but also to feel it with your whole body. The suit uses vibration and sensors to transform the actions of the game into sensations. To transmit tactile sensations as accurately as possible, it's equipped with 16 special panels. The size of the suit is also adjustable, so that absolutely anyone can use it. The creators of Hard Light VR claim that the suit takes gaming to a whole new level. If you try it, you'll never want to play with regular VR glasses again. Geysir. The air conditioner doesn't necessarily need to be cumbersome and take up a lot of space. Geysir is an eco-friendly way to make the working environment more comfortable. It effectively cools the air around while avoiding the unpleasant consequences of using air conditioners, huge bills for electricity and pain in the back and the neck. To start cooling, you need to place a bag of ice cubes from the freezer into the bottom half of the device. The fan starts to work when you turn the lid. Such a small device is enough to cool the space of 12 meters around itself. Instant Magni 35. What you see now is a new device capable of turning any traditional film camera into a Polaroid in a matter of seconds. It allows you to use your own camera with a familiar lens to create instant snapshots. It's compact, doesn't take up much space, and it's convenient for storage. The device is compatible with almost all modern cameras, whether it's a Nikon, Canon, Leica, Olympus, or Pentax. The image from the camera is transferred to the device without changes, which is why every photographer will be able to use the Instant Magni 35. The device is made of light and durable engineering plastic, so its weight is only 485 grams. The estimated price is $180 to $200. Duo. More and more people get used to working on two monitors at the same time, but having changed from a stationary computer to a laptop, they feel uncomfortable. Duo is created to solve this problem. The manufacturer states that this additional notebook monitor is designed to increase performance by 50% wherever you are. It's attached to the laptop lid, and therefore when folded it doesn't take up precious space. Whenever you need it, you can pull the monitor out from the side and start to work on it right away. It's compatible with absolutely any laptop. This monitor is perfect for conferences as it has a presentation mode. This means that the monitor turns around when on the lid of the laptop, showing the person in front of you everything you see on the screen. It weighs only 680 grams and rationally uses energy in order not to discharge the laptop too quickly. Mark Drone. This is an intelligent folding drone capable of shooting 4K videos. It's able to memorize its own flight trajectory, which allows it to return to the starting point on its own. It responds to voice commands, recognizes objects, and doesn't have problems with flying from indoors to outdoors or vice versa. The manufacturer has designed the Mark drone in such a way to avoid the most common drawbacks of such drones, such as loss of GPS signal inside the house, complex calibration, and loss of GPS when flying at a remote distance. It is able to fly autonomously, determining its own position in space and avoiding obstacles. Its weight is only 236 grams, and after charging, it's able to fly for 20 minutes. Kai. This device allows you to control the working screen of a computer with a wave of the hand. The device is put on the palm, after which the sensors begin to react to its movement. It has a whole bunch of useful functions. For example, it allows you to flip through slides, switch between computer programs and browser tabs. It will be convenient for editors, as it allows you to control Adobe Premiere Pro with hand movements. It's noteworthy that you can play computer games using Kai. For each program, you can independently choose positions of the hand you'd like to use to control these programs. The manufacturer also added the possibility of creating macros. The device is adjustable on the arm, so it's perfect for absolutely anyone. The battery lasts a whole day as well, and also the device can work as a TV remote or a VR glasses controller and is able to replace a drone controller. Scribit. This is a device that brings the process of room decorating to a new level. The smart robot Scribit is able to reproduce on the wall absolutely any drawing that the user finds on the internet. All you need to do is just download it, send it to the application, and run the robot. It can draw on glass, wood, and ordinary walls. If one day you get tired of the picture on your wall, you can ask the robot to erase it at any moment and draw a new one. You can control the device from a computer or portable device, and it connects via Wi-Fi. The device draws with 4 markers at once. The standard kit includes 24 of them, which gives a huge scope for imagination. It is noteworthy that the device is easy to install, it doesn't require the help of any specialists, and in order to work it needs electricity, as well as a nail hammered into the wall, and the wire which helps it hold and move. D2 Max 3D 8K 360 degrees. This novelty will be available on the market in autumn 2018. This is a camera that allows you to film everything around yourself in 360 degrees in 3D with a resolution of up to 11,520 by 11,520 pixels. The image from this camera seen through VR glasses is virtually indistinguishable from real life. The 8K and 12K quality makes it possible to see every, even the smallest detail of the image. The manufacturer has ensured that each object in the range of vision of the camera is always in perspective. The D2 Max is equipped with a stabilizer, which provides a smooth picture, dealing easily even with a strong shake. In addition, the camera can be used to broadcast live, and this mode doesn't affect the quality of the image. The cost of the camera depends on the model and the number of functions, ranging from $3,600 to $7,400. SmartyBot. Robots don't need to be large and built exclusively by engineers. The compact SmartyBot proves this. Its cardboard body can be assembled even by a child. The manufacturer offers countless variations on the decoration of the body so that each SmartyBot is unique. The body can be made from clay, Lego bricks, or even plastic. Any smartphone with a special application installed on it can act as a remote control, or you can attach your phone to the robot and it'll use it like a brain. The robot's able to recognize objects, distinguish people, cars, and animals. It responds to the voice, and a simple command is enough to make the SmartyBot follow a person, for example with a cup of tea, or an animal for playing or watching. Myo. This is a device that has a virtually unlimited number of functions. It looks like a bracelet, which is worn just below the elbow, and it allows you to control a variety of gadgets and appliances. It reads the movements of the hands so that the user can control a drone, a computer, a laptop, a TV, and even a car radio without unnecessary touches. Among programs compatible with Myo, there are PowerPoint, Adobe Reader, and Google Slides. By moving your fingers and hands around, you can control iTunes, Spotify, and Netflix. The price of the device is about $220.